Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Grape Verbena Pie in Heartopia. So right now, Heartopia has a brand new event that called Modular Street, and at this event you can cook many new special food recipe, and one of them is this Grape Verbena Pie. To cook this food, you need to unlock the recipe first, because this is the hidden recipe at this event. So to unlock it, it's very easy. First, just go to your serving card, the brick serving card like this. You need to craft it first, and then after that, just tap on it, and then just choose the fruit verbena pie, and then after that, just complete the all ingredients. You need butter, egg, lemon verbena, and then next just replace the fruit ingredients with grape like this, and then just simply tap on start cooking, just like that. Just cook the pie. And like this, you will automatically unlock this Grape Verbena Pie recipe. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!